Let's unbox Tripfit, the travel size gym together. The Tripfit kit itself comes in a net bag, which is really handy because if you want to use the kit bag itself as a fitness mat, for example, you can just easily throw all your gear inside of the net bag and have it all together. Once you open it up, first you'll find the Tripfit exercise bar. It comes in 3 pieces and you can just simply screw together 2 pieces for a shorter bar, just like that. Or if you need a longer bar, just attach the middle piece and you have a longer bar. The setup is really easy, just screw it together and start training. Here we go, that's a shorter bar. The bar holds up to 1,000 pounds of resistance, so you can really lift heavy with this bar. You can also use just one of the pieces individually for a lot of pull exercises. I love to substitute a lot of cable exercises that I would usually do at the gym with this piece. Next in here we'll find the fillable kettlebell. You can fill it up with sand, stones, water, or whatever you might have nearby. Simply close it up, just like that. It also comes with a padding, makes it more comfortable to lift and gives you a better grip. Usually I fill it up around a quarter with sand, which gives me around 10 pounds of resistance. Altogether the kettlebell holds 40 pounds. Next in here we will find the speed jump rope. It's very compact, but it's so underestimated. It's a great way to warm up or cool down. You actually use every muscle when you skip, so it's great exercise. Next is the Tripfit resistance band in heavy. This band gives you around 90 pounds of resistance. Simply clip it in and start lifting. Just like that. Another band we have is the medium resistance band, gives you around 60 pounds of resistance. And then the third resistance band is light and gives you around 20 pounds of resistance. You can always stack the resistance bands up and simply build up your weight as you would at a machine at the gym. Just like that. So even though those bands are super lightweight, you can lift really heavy with them. This is a fixture where you can simply attach your band to a door, a pole, or whatever you might use. Next are those handles. You can also just simply clip them to the resistance band, either to both sides or just to one and the other, again to a door, a pole. We also have a short resistance band. This one offers around 35 pounds of resistance. It's a great all-rounder for lower body exercises, but also a variety of upper body exercises. So great to have in the kit. Next we have the ankle strap, which is actually one of my favorites. I love to attach it to the light band, double it up, and I usually do kickbacks at the gym with 30 pounds. So using the light resistance band gives me around the same resistance as at the gym, and it's just as good. The Tripfit kit itself is made from neoprene material. You can simply zip it up just like that and have a decent sized fitness mat. The zipper is covered up with neoprene material, so it doesn't hurt when you lay on it or when you do your exercises. You can also adjust the zipper in a different way, just like that. That way you have a longer mat which covers your entire spine. Again, the zipper is covered with neoprene, so it doesn't hurt when you lay on it. You can also fully unzip the Tripfit kit, just like this. Now you have 2 small fitness mats. So for whatever exercise you might do, you find the right. Put it back together is pretty self-explanatory, just like that. And then you can store all your gear inside. Thank you for checking out Tripfit with us. If you enjoyed the product, please make sure to follow our Kickstarter page. Also click the link to secure a discount before launch day. I just got done editing the unboxing of the Tripfit kit and I noticed I forgot to include the core sliders and the door anchor. I used them earlier the day I was filming, so they're not in the unboxing, but they'll definitely be in the set. I hope you enjoyed our product. Follow us on Kickstarter and sign up below for a discount before launch day.